my name is Prachi. I'm currently studying a Bachelor of Behavioural Science and Counselling. I'm from India and I'm studying at UniSC Moreton. I think UniSC in general and the opportunity made it a very strong option for me to actually come to Australia. I really like attending my counselling classes because you get to have one-on-one chat with other students, and at the same time you're practicing the core skills and learning within your classes, which I think is such an amazing opportunity. I currently live in Brisbane City, so it's pretty accessible for me to get to UniSC Moreton Bay because there's a train station right outside the uni. I've founded and I'm currently running the Bollywood Dance Club because I wanted students to feel more inclusive and simply create a more comforting place for other students. And I'm really happy with the community as well. You know, you definitely get to have a sense of belonging. Something I really love about the professor is how chatty and open the professors can be. Love how easy it is for me to email them about anything. And I love how quickly they can get back to you and you can just simply stay on track with your studies as well.